What's up, YouTube? PCTS here. Well, we are having a snowstorm. Well, at least, well, I don't know. But as you guys can see, it's snowing. Today is Sunday the 19th, and this is going to be the biggest snow we've had yet. This year, at least. You know, this winter. Winter 2011-2012. So, yeah. This is, it's only just now really started. It really started about, like, 10 minutes ago. I was doing something that I'm going to be doing. I was actually working on doing some average of 5s for a, for my Diane Zanchi review. If and whenever I do that, I want to have a visual reference for you guys when I do that review on just how much, just how much the fact that I used that cube instead of my Rubik's Cube improves my time. Not that that's really surprising, but you know. Anyway, look at that. That's cool. Green, not green. That's cool. It is again. You can kind of see like the shape of our house. It's like a silhouette on the ground. It's kind of cool, actually. I mean, that should give you an idea of how just straight down the snow is falling. I mean, yeah, it's falling kind of at an angle now, but I was looking outside, you know, while I was doing my averages, and I noticed that, man, that snow is falling just straight down. It's not going at an angle, it's just going straight down. I thought it was kind of crazy. But now it's kind of blowing at an angle, so yeah. Anyway, I will definitely make another video like this, maybe tonight or tomorrow, showing off how much snow we got. I can pretty much assure you, they haven't called it off yet, but I can assure you there will not be school tomorrow. So, if we still have power, which I'm sure we will, I might be able to make some videos tomorrow, which would be fun. I like watching videos that I make on snow days. I don't know why, there's just something about those videos that make me happy. They're like, you know, I don't know why, they just make me happy. And I always like going back, you know, later in the year, like during the summer or something, and watching these snow videos just so I can remember what snow looks like, I guess. Actually, I found myself this year, because we just have not had that much snow, watching a lot of last year's snow videos, and just thinking to myself, man, you know, just wish we had more snow this year. I don't know. Anyway, it's 38 degrees last time I checked. It's pretty cool. So, yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. It's pretty nice though. Alright. Let's go on in. I'm gonna go on in now. My hand's getting cold. Ooh. So I guess this will be just a short snow video. Usually my snow videos like 6 minutes. That's a common trend with my snow videos, but this one's just gonna be a 3-minute snow video. There's one of those line. Oh, crikey. Oh, man, my iPod is all wet. So, I'm getting Facebook messages while I'm recording, which is probably hurting the frame rate like crap. Maybe maybe on my, wow, look at that. Wow. Alright, Facebook, go away. You're hurting the frame rate. At least it is in the viewfinder. Facebook, go away. Seriously, oh my gosh. You have 4 new Facebook notifications. Did you really have to tell me that? That's the first time I've ever seen that. Popped up with a notification telling me I have 4 new Facebook notifications. That's never happened before. Good grief. Anyway, just look at that snow. Look at how dense that is. Now you can see it better because it's not hurting, the frame rate isn't bad. Just amazing. For some reason my bike has migrated over here. I don't know why. But yeah. Anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching. I will make another part to this whenever we get a significantly more snow.